So to carry on, uh, my installation is finished, and we're now ready to connect the VB project to MySQL. So also there is one thing that I need to tell you that MySQL uh, has a um, graphical side that you can use instead of the command line like we did earlier on. So let me just open up the workbench. This one is from Oracle, as you can see. Oracle, such a great company. Okay, I have MySQL workbench. So I'm gonna double click here and I'll be prompted my password. Like I said, you need to remember the username and the port number 3306 by default on localhost, just in case you want to use it for other web application development. So type in my password. Okay, and so you can use you can use all this graphical user interface. You can use this graphical user interface. As you can see, the database that I created earlier on is now here, and the tables, we only have one table person, which has the columns first name, surname, username, and password, like so. Some people prefer using the GUI better than the command line, but I prefer the command line because it's more straight to the point. Okay. Um, delete. Okay. Um, select all from user.pason. Select all from table. Select all from database user.table. So select all from database.table. Other workbench previous ones, they would just be the same, like select all from Payson, right? And from our previous insertion we have these and the output over here. So we're going to see to either use the GUI or the command line. Okay, so to connect now, view the code, our form code. Oh, mind that error, I deleted a couple of folders for which it was a mistake. So if we want to, the first thing that we have to do if we want to connect MySQL to VB.net, first we have to add reference. You click on your project, and here on the Solution Explorer tab, right? The Solution Explorer tab. I hope you can see my mouse pointer over there. Solution Explorer. You come here to your application. You right click. After you right click, you say add reference. We want to add MySQL reference to this project. We want to add the reference so that MySQL becomes part of the project. Then click add reference. After we click add reference, we choose the framework. We browse. Mind you, It's so different from the look that you might get from other previous Visual Basic, Visual Studio versions. I'm using the 2012, the most recent one, so the look might be different. And as you can see, I cannot find MySQL reference. Why? Because after I have installed MySQL, I didn't restart my Visual Basic. But anyway, it's recommended you restart your Visual Basic IDE after you install MySQL connector, so that this and this will appear. MySQL data, MySQL data dot entity, everything that's got something to do with MySQL. Oh, I'm running out of power. Sorry.